Assalamualaikum dear sisters and brothers. Today I want to share with you guys my national MDCAT strategy and routine. So first of all, in the morning 4 am, I get up and offer Fajr prayer. After that, I read Surah Yasin and start my preparation. As you guys know, there are more energetic hours in the morning. So first of all, I take lectures of physics and biology in the morning hours. After taking lectures of biology and physics, I start reading textbook of PTB, Federal, KPK and A-levels books. After reading all these books till at 12 p.m., I take break for 2 hours for lunch and Zohar prayer and take some rest. At 12 p.m., I revise my all notes which I make during today's lectures. After revising my all today notes, as you guys know, there are more energetic hours in the morning. So first of all, I take lectures of physics and biology in the morning hours. After taking lectures of biology and physics, I start reading textbook of PTB, Federal, KPK and A-levels books. After reading all these books till at 12 p.m., I take break for 2 hours for lunch and Zohar prayer and take some rest. At 12 p.m., I revise my all notes which I make during today's lectures. After revising my all today notes, after that I highlighted all the main points on my textbook, Punjab textbook. I highlighted all important points, important boxes I highlighted because after my preparation, when I open my books, I revise easily all important points. After that, 3 to 4, I shortlisted all important points of today's lectures and note down all important points on my notebook. Now, Unit 1 of Physics and Biology is fully prepared. For 5 to 6 p.m., I take break for 1 hour for Asr prayer and take break for using phone and check any news about test. From 6 to 7 p.m., I practice all physics, short numericals. I remember and learn all formulas and clear all my concepts. After offering Maghrib prayer, I start just practice MCQs for Bio and Physics Unit 1, which I prepared the whole day. I practice MCQs from Keep's practice books and I use TopGrade, which is the best online academy for practice MCQs and many more. Dear guys, practice MCQs is a key to success in your MDCAT test. I suggest all of you guys to join TopGrade Academy, which is the best online academy in low budget. You can use this online academy for practicing MCQs and many more features you used on this online academy. On this academy, you have a lot of lectures from very extraordinary teachers, but I like mostly the biology lectures which was given by Dr. Muazzam Manzoor, which is the best online academy teacher for biology lectures. They deliver lecture in a very best way. You can easily clear your all concept by listening to their lectures. Dear guys, I prepare 2 subjects per day as biology and physics on the same day, and the very next day I prepared for chemistry and English in the same way as I tell you about physics and biology. And hope so you all of you guys like my MDCAT strategy and routine, and hope so if you follow my MDCAT strategy, inshallah you will succeed, and inshallah one day you will be doctor.